guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! If this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I am so glad you could join me today. I have an exciting video for you guys. I will be telling you guys a little bit about my goals for 2021 and kind of some, goals for the channel and ideas for the channel. I also have some items that I received in December for my BoxyCharm that I did not get to make videos for before I took my holiday break. I was toying with the idea of creating like videos for it, but I just decided I wanted to keep everything that had to do with 2020 back in 2020. I'm just going to do a quick rundown at the end of the video, kind of giving you an idea of what I got in December and the things that I ended up keeping versus what I may have given away or put into my giveaway pile. But before we get started, if you like all things makeup and you like all things beauty, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new beauty content every Wednesday and Sunday, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, so first off, I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I hope everyone had wonderful holidays. I did take some time off. I took, I don't know, at this point, maybe like a month off, and just kind of recharged a bit, spent time with family, relaxed. It was really nice. I did take some time off of my full-time job as well. So I am excited and feel energized and ready for the new year. Obviously now we're like, 2 weeks into January. So, I mean, it's, I should be ready for the new year at this point. But I did want to tell you guys a little bit about some of my goals and how I plan to keep organized this year. So every year I typically do like a planner, and last year I did buy a planner, but then I never really used it past March because things happened. So this year I decided to continue my tradition of using a planner, and I went with a company I really like. It's Erin Condren. She makes just absolutely gorgeous planners. I will give you guys a little tour of mine. So this is the one that I purchased. It's super cute. It is a Virgo planner. It has my initials up here, and it has like the little Virgo constellations. This is such a cute planner. It is the Life Planner by Erin Condren. This is not sponsored. I just happen to really like her planners. And then kind of to give you an idea, you'll get like when you open it, you'll have like, a yearly layout. And then you'll have basically all the months broken down that you can kind of do like some goals for each month. So I have that all. I don't have it filled out yet, but I do have like the start of some of the things I want to do. On this sheet, which I'm going to go over with you guys, I put like some of my things I'd like to work on in 2021. And then it goes into each month. I'm going to go to a page I haven't filled out because I like to keep track of like bills and things like that in here. So I did the vertical layout. You can basically customize this however you want. They have like a vertical, a horizontal, they have all sorts of layouts. So I did the vertical, and what I like to do is like over in this section, I'll put like any bills I have to pay that week. And then I'll put, like what videos I may want to record or things like that. I just really wanted to start the year a little bit more organized, and I wanted to use it as a way to help grow my channel as well. So I'll put in here, what videos I want to post that day, when I want to record them, ideas I have. So yeah, it just it's a really, really nice planner. In the back, it has like contact information. There are stickers that you can add. It's just super cute. I used to do a bullet journal, and I really enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed like being able to be creative with it, but it ended up being so time consuming trying to be creative with it, and then I'd get stuck in wanting it to be perfect, that I ended up giving up on it. So this is like a nice way to have like a really cute journal, a really cute planner, and be able to be creative with it without having to do everything. So I do want to go through and talk to you guys about some of my goals for the year. So I typically don't do like resolutions. I don't want to call them that. I kind of feel like I end up, setting myself up for failure if I do that. I don't know why, it doesn't make any sense, but I like to come up with some goals, things I want to work on throughout the year that, are not like these set in concrete things. So what I would like to work on in 2021, I would like to work on my health and also work on accepting myself. So I have basically struggled with my weight my entire life. I mean, when I was like super little, I was fine, but when I was like maybe 8-ish or so on, I was always overweight, and I have basically been on a diet on and off my entire life, and it's exhausting. It is. And there was a point where, I was just constantly down on myself, and when I wasn't dieting, I was just eating anything and everything. And even to this like day, leading into the holidays, I was eating anything and everything I wanted because I knew when the new year started, I wanted to start eating healthy again, which isn't necessarily a very healthy way to go about things. So I do want to work on that this year, kind of be kinder to myself, not be as strict, kind of find like a good balance. I also want to be more accepting of myself the way I am now and know that like I am okay the way I am, and the only reason I should be trying to lose weight or do anything like that should be solely based on being healthier, not just based on looks. So I am definitely keeping that in consideration this year, at least trying to moving forward. I know, for the past few years, I've been trying to work on being kinder to myself. It's one of those where I would that like little inner voice in your head that I think most of us have, if not all of us, would just be saying just horrible things about myself and just setting myself up for failure all the time. And a few years ago, I decided like whenever I would I would start thinking that, I would stop and turn it around into something positive. And I mean, I'm not perfect at it, but it's something to work on, and I've been continuously working on, and it has made a difference. I have definitely stopped being so critical of myself, but it's always there. It's just something you have to always kind of work on, and just kind of be kinder to yourself. So that is one of my goals for 2021. My next one is growing my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel in May of 2020, right after like quarantine and lockdown hit, and I no longer had a reason to wear makeup every day. I wasn't going into the office anymore, and I missed it, and I just decided this was a good way to make some connections with everybody out there who also love makeup, and just kind of give me an excuse to play around a bit, and I have loved it. I've loved every aspect of it. I love planning the videos and filming the videos. I love editing the videos. It's just super fun. It's been a really great hobby, and I would really love to grow my channel so that I can make connections with more and more people just like you and me that love makeup and like want to talk about it. It's super fun. So I definitely want to work on that this year as well. Then my third one is I want to work on my financial well-being. So last year, at the very beginning of the year, I had moved back in with my parents to start working on like paying off some debts and saving up for a house of my own. And I haven't made as much progress as I intended to at this point. So I would like to continue moving towards that. The one thing downside about doing my YouTube channel is that I am paying for everything and buying everything out of pocket, so that has slowed the saving for a new house part, but I am still working towards that. So I would like continue to work towards that and just kind of try and make sure I'm making better like money decisions. And then the fourth and final thing that I would like to work on this year is working on my anxiety and better ways to handle it. So I am a pretty anxious person. I think I hide it fairly well. I don't think I come off as super anxious, but I am pretty anxious most of the time. And I would like to work on kind of better ways to handle it. I've never really spoken to anybody about it or talked to a doctor or anything like that. So maybe that's part of the plan is, talking to a doctor and seeing, what might work for me. But that is something that I would like to work on for sure in 2021. And then I put a little note at the bottom because I am a true Virgo and I strive for perfectionism, unfortunately, and I know perfect isn't really a thing, so I'm trying to remind myself that. Basically, if I'm doing something new and trying something out, I want to be perfect at it, and if I'm not perfect at it, I end up just dropping it, I'm done with it, and never turning back to it. So it's something I'm trying to work on, but I put 2020 has been a tough year, but I am optimistic for 2021 and what the future holds. I know it won't instantly get better, but a little progress is all that matters. So strive for progress, not perfection, is my motto for 2021. All right, so that's basically some of my, goals for the year. I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my channel and some goals and ideas I have for that. So leading up to the holidays, I was doing 3 videos a week. I was doing my beauty videos Wednesdays and Sundays, and then I was doing like a lifestyle video on Fridays. I think at this point I'm gonna step back from the Friday videos. I don't have enough lifestyle content, and I do work a full-time job as well, so it's just kind of a lot to do 3 videos in a week. The planning and the filming and the editing and all that. So I think I'm going to stick with my beauty videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and then on Fridays, occasionally when I have something, I'll go ahead and do a lifestyle video. Like for instance, one that I'm super excited for. So the office that I'm in now, this filming room that I'm in now, is my work office. It's my makeup room and it's my filming studio. It's everything in one, and it's a really small space. And it wasn't set up to be an everything in one kind of room. So I think my first big project of the year is going to be organizing this and making it a lot more functional and easy to work in. I do like things neat, and when they aren't neat, I feel overwhelmed, and so I don't get as excited to film or do my makeup. It's not exciting to work, so it's like I would like to work on that. So that'll be like something I would release on a Friday, but it won't be an every Friday kind of thing. I hope you guys don't mind and understand. Let's see, what else did I kind of have planned for the year? I'm just gonna continue makeup stuff. If you guys have any things you would love to see in a video, please comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. The other thing I would really like to do, so in December I did my very first giveaway, and that was so much fun, and I made a lot of new friends, and I really want to continue that. I really love giving, so I think I'm going to do a quarterly giveaway. So I actually put in my planner when I wanted to do them. So like I would do a spring giveaway in March, a summer giveaway in June, a fall giveaway in September, and then a holiday giveaway in December. And then I'll probably do, like, if I hit any milestones in my channel, so like 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, I would do a separate giveaway for that, because that'd be super exciting. That is something to look forward to in the future. If you are not already subscribed and you have made it this far, because I feel like I've been going on and on, but if you have made it this far and you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. You will be the first to know about my giveaways. They are so fun. I had seriously a blast doing it. So yeah, I think that's kind of wraps up what I have going on so far planned for 2021 for the channel. So now let's go ahead and get into some of the things I received in BoxyCharm of December 2020. Again, I was going to do a video for it, and then I was like, you know what, it's already 2021 and I don't want to have to record a video about 2020, so I don't want to invite any like bad luck or anything like that into 2021. So I'm really not going to do like a whole unboxing thing. I'm just going to show a few things that I got that I kept that I was excited for. There were some things that I did not keep that I put into a giveaway pile, and then there are some things that I like gave as gifts for the holidays. So let's take a look real quick. The first thing is actually from Ipsy and not BoxyCharm. This was a little surprise. I actually got it today. I'm filming, what is it, January 8th. So I'm filming today, and I got something from Ipsy. I thought it was for January. I was confused because it was just one item. And then I looked back in my emails. So one of the items I was supposed to get in December was not like available, or they sent me the wrong thing. So they sent me this separately. It's the Violet Voss Pinky Promise eyeshadow palette. And I was like, okay, that's kind of cool, whatever, another eyeshadow palette. But I opened it, and I'm going to open it now here too. And it is gorgeous. It is such a pretty palette. Look at these beautiful colors. They're so nice. There's like some pinks and neutrals. It's just really, really pretty. I'm really excited to use this palette. So definitely a keeper for me. So glitz and glam was the theme for the month. And the items that I was super excited for were, I have these earrings that are super, super pretty. I am a little nervous and also excited because they are super cute. I think they're really, really pretty, but I am really oddly sensitive to earrings. If they are not like real gold or real silver, my ears do not react well. These don't really say what they are. I wonder if it says in here. It doesn't say on here too, but even if it says it's like surgical steel or not nickel plated or whatever, or things like that, like I still end up having a sort of reaction. So I'm hoping I don't with these. They are super pretty. So that was one thing I was excited about. The other thing I was super excited about is this Hip Dot palette. So I did a few months ago receive the Zion Hip Dot palette, and this time I have a green, I think it's C note, and this is just stunning, absolutely stunning. I don't usually go for blues, but I think this is such a pretty palette. I am excited. The formulas are really nice on these Hip Dot palettes, so I am excited for this one. The other exciting item I got in December was a Viseart. I don't know how to say this. I don't know if it's Viseart or Viseart eyeshadow palette. This is all mattes. These are all like super neutral matte shades. So this is what these look like. I have had one other Viseart, whatever, palette, but you know what, honestly, I never really used it. It was so expensive and it was so small that I just like felt intimidated by it. But I think this, because they are so neutral, this is gonna get used for sure. And then let's see, I would say this one I was also really excited for. It's the Brazilian Kiss Sol de Janeiro lip butter, and I am super excited for this. I really like the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom cream. The smell of that is my absolute favorite, and this is just like a really nice lightly tinted, I wouldn't even say it's like very tinted, but just lightly tinted neutrally lip balm. It is scented. Now this I'm a little bummed about because it is scented, but it smells nothing like the Boom Boom cream, and I was really hoping it did because that's like my favorite. This is one where BoxyCharm sent me an email that this, I guess, isn't the one. This was my choice and this wasn't the one I asked for, so they're sending me another one, I guess. So I'm gonna have two of them. That other one, depending on the color, may just go directly into giveaway pile, but it does, I did try this on and it does feel really nice on the lips. But yeah, so I mean, I did get quite a few other things, but those are probably the things I was most excited for. And then in my Ipsy bag, the absolute most amazing lip gloss, Artist Couture in Shameless. I was not expecting this, but I absolutely love it. I'm actually wearing this one right now. At this point, I've been talking so much that it's probably mostly worn out. Let me put some on. It feels so nice. It's not sticky. It has the perfect color, and it almost is like a little hint of minty, just like a little hint of tingle on the lip, which I really like. It's not like super overpowering. I will be buying full size of this. I love it so much. But yeah, so that was kind of like all the items that I was really excited for that I got in December. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much to all of you who are subscribed. I know with your help, I'm gonna have a great 2021, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.